Dear smoker, do you want to smoke with a clear conscience? Would you like reputable scientific journals to present the benefits of smoking? Today, we're diving into a controversial topic that might just make you question everything you thought you knew about cigarettes. Have you ever wondered if there could be hidden advantages to a habit universally considered harmful? Get ready for a wild ride as we explore some unexpected benefits of smoking that you've probably never heard before. Now, before we begin, let's be clear, we're not here to promote smoking. Instead, we're going to challenge your thinking and explore some surprising statistics. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Did you know that smokers might actually be less likely to need certain types of surgery? Or that they could potentially be slimmer than their non-smoking counterparts? Intrigued yet? Let's dive into these shocking claims and uncover the truth behind them. Did you know that smokers are less likely to undergo knee replacement surgery? Why? It's not because smoking magically protects your knees. The answer lies in lifestyle choices. Who typically needs knee replacements? Athletes who wear out their joints and overweight individuals who put extra pressure on their knees. But smokers? They're often less active due to reduced lung capacity, making them less prone to sports-related injuries. Ironic, isn't it? Now, here's a question that might make you raise an eyebrow. Are smokers less likely to be overweight? Surprisingly, yes. But why? It's not because cigarettes are a magical weight loss tool. The truth is far less appealing. Smokers often have suppressed appetites, and food simply doesn't taste as good to them. Would you trade your ability to enjoy a delicious meal for a slimmer waistline? Here's a fact that might shock you: smokers are less likely to die from heart attacks. How is this possible when smoking is a leading cause of heart disease? The answer is both surprising and disturbing. Smokers tend to have heart attacks at a younger age when their bodies are more resilient. It's like playing Russian roulette with your health. Would you take that risk? Acne sufferers, listen up. Did you know that smokers tend to have less acne? But before you reach for that cigarette, consider this: the reason is far from glamorous. Smokers often have weakened immune systems, which means less resistance to acne-causing bacteria. Is trading your body's natural defenses worth clearer skin? Last but not least, could smokers actually be benefiting the economy? According to a study by Philip Morris for the Czech government, smokers pay enormous taxes on cigarettes, which are considered inelastic goods. But at what cost? Can we really put a price on human life and the grief of families who lose loved ones prematurely? Now, if you think this video is promoting smoking, you've missed the point entirely. While there might be some surprising benefits to smoking, they come at an enormous cost. Can we really say that cigarettes are beneficial just because they have a few unexpected side effects? In the end, as rational beings, aren't we supposed to weigh the benefits against the harms? Remember, there are benefits to many harmful things and drawbacks to many beneficial things. Take exercise, for example. It's incredibly good for your health, but overdo it, and you might end up with injuries or exhaustion. On the flip side, even something as unhealthy as eating a slice of cake has its benefits. It can boost your mood and provide a moment of joy. But does that mean we should ignore the overwhelming evidence against smoking or start binge eating cake? What do you think about these surprising facts? Do they change your perspective on smoking, or do they reinforce the dangers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And now, for a smoking hot conclusion, pun intended, if you enjoyed this mind-bending journey through the world of unexpected smoking benefits, why not subscribe to our channel? After all, where else can you get your daily dose of scientific surprises without risking lung cancer? Don't forget to check out the sources below. They're as reliable as a chain smoker's cough. This is SuperNerd, flying faster than a speeding cigarette, but to bring you science that's both mind-blowing and entertaining. Remember, with great knowledge comes great responsibility. Use it wisely. Until next time, stay curious and keep your synapses firing.